Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to see your Facebook password if you forgot it. So there are a few ways in how to see your password if you forgot it. But as you can see now, if you open your Facebook application and go to your settings and privacy, specifically in account center, scroll down and go to personal details where you can see this change password here. Unfortunately, you cannot see the password or your password, but you can change your password. But you need to type your current password, new password, and retype new password. It only means that they will not allow to see your password if you're using your Facebook application. So what we're going to do now is we're going to exit this Facebook application, and I'm going to show you a few ways and method on how to see your Facebook in case you have forgotten your password. So the first step or method is to simply go to your settings, swipe down, go to your settings, and you have to look for Google or Google account. So I'm currently using my Android. So if I go to my settings and scroll down, I have to look for my Google. If in your phone or in your device it's different, you just have to look for Google or Google account. And then here you have to look for that specific or log into your main Google account, for example, this one. And then what you're going to do here is you have to look for security that is next to data and privacy. Scroll down till you see this password manager. Okay, so here it is, password manager, and that is okay below run a scan with Google One. Okay, so go to manage passwords. And then here you have to look for Facebook application. If you can't find it, then you can search, for example, Facebook, but actually I don't have Facebook linked to this account. So in case, or for example, this is your Facebook. Okay, for example, this one is your Facebook. All you have to do is just simply tap this eye icon here to see your account password or a Facebook password, and then copy and then paste it to your Facebook account in order for you to open your Facebook. The second method is you can simply go to your Google browser. So, for example, you have used this browser before, or you have logged in your Facebook account here. Tap this three dots and then go to settings. And then under settings, you have to look for password manager that is below search engine. So tap this password manager here, and then you have to simply look for your Facebook application. You can scroll down or go to the search passwords above, type Facebook, and then you will see all the Facebook account that you have logged in to this browser. So all you have to do is to tap this eye icon or click this copy button and then paste. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.